Well, that's the basic idea. So, all right, let's get at it. See if it starts.
Give her a drink? Did anybody give it a drink?
No, we haven't poured any gas.
Okay, you're the man.
Okay.
Nice, you got a nice seat, you know.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
Come on.
Try and get something.
Get it in the car?
Yeah, try and. Oh, it's filled up.
Oh,
with
that's not
fucking
enough.
air cleaner.
Give her a go.
Stand by.
Okay. Alright, again.
I got enough on the air cleaner. It's okay. It'll evaporate.
Eh? It'll burn off.
Oh, wait! Come on.
My tractor.
Here, I'll film the car smashing into the tractor.
For sure, that's one ugly fucking car, eh? Huh?
I don't know either.
That's an ugly fucking car, that's for sure, huh?
You checking it out?
She's
Good girl.
with the foreman.
Yeah, Prankers and the foreman both are skeptical. Ashley's here because, well, I don't know. Because we need people who get things done. Okay, so the first step is blow all the external body panels that we can unbolt. And then we'll start blowing off the ones that we have to cut. Aren't you done yet?
Close.
Well, 1 hour later. all the bolt-on stuff is taken care of. And now, the first major decision-making process is where do we cut the A post. So just to confirm, before we do have any possibility of anything going wrong, we're going to remove the B post and then put one of the Fury doors on and just make sure that the angle of the windshield and everything is going to work, because otherwise we have to cut it in a different spot. I'd like to save the A post intact, but I'm also happy to cut the entire firewall out of the undercar and put it in if that's the right decision. But since this is all hooked up and working and running and steering, and I'm not really too worried if we just splice the roof, change the roof in the quarters, and put the Plymouth sheet metal on it and call her good. So, anyway, that's it. Not too hard. So far, one's still holding here. Whoop.
Okay.
That's her. That's right, Frankers. It actually fits. So there is our Fury door, just roughly laid up against the Dodge roofline there. You can see the rooflines are completely different shape, but in fact they start out the same height, which is great, which means that we can use the same windshield, as far as I know, and we just have to change the roof skin. So we're going to pull the glass and then see how we're going to go about that. That's pretty exciting. Why are you so wound up today? Ash, what do you think? Give it a...
Like it.
Yeah?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Okay, well, I say we're done. Let's just dust it in, and we'll put some extra wide molding at the back there, and she'll be fine. Okay, gentlemen, day 1 ticking away. What do you think?
I like it.
She's
coming together.
We've decided that we're confident that we have the right A post, and so now we've pulled the glass front and rear. We've marked out our cuts where we're gonna. The thing is, you start, take less than you need. We're gonna bulk it off now. Just kind of take off the bulk. Ash is gonna run that to leave all the whatever we can, take off all the Dodge specific, and we're gonna go basically, fuck, the lighting is just better and better on this show. Hey, there, Steven roped into ruining his life yet again. How do you, hey, you keep falling for this. Hey, stop in for a beer.
Every time.
Every fucking time. Oh, it's a life-ruining shithole job. So yeah, we're gonna hack the, well, I don't know, we're just gonna keep hacking it. The next shot should be, well, I don't know, we're running out of light, so the next shot's gonna be even worse than this. How's it going, boss? We're just whistling this thing up, eh?
Well, the customer called. He needs his carbine
Yeah.
Monday.
I need Monday, eh?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Why not? Well, where are you coming through there?
Oh, it's all good.
Oh yeah,
It's
right?
all figured.
Just fucking right through there.
Right?
We're gonna have to remember to unbolt the latch. Is that what's holding the two cars together?
I don't
Oh
think
no,
so.
not
We
anymore.
cut her.
Oh, we dusted them. Really, I just can't fucking get it up. You know? Like, you like fucking around. This is just the crazy shit. We'll make cutting the trunk the package tray supports last so that none of this will bind.
Been good.
So far it's working good. Okay, yeah, this is nice. No sparks. No, no power. Okay, I'm gonna get back. My job is to, where's the light? Okay. My job is the inside. So I'm cutting the package tray and the braces therein. I lost my cutting discs. What happened to them? That's the best. Okay, I'll get it from there. Hey, you got her off. There's the other post. D-post. Now it's a 4-door hardtop. Now it's one of those beach cars. What do they call those, you know? Look at that. It's a pretty hefty thing, eh? Pretty hefty. You know, there's some, look at the, it's pretty substantial.
Yeah, totally.
Although it's really, it's only held by those few welds to that, but I mean that's a pretty heavy
piece,
right? Like that's a heavy thing. Blade on there?
Yeah, brand new. That fucking grinder, eh? Just giving her.
Yeah, it's
There we go.
okay. Look at what garbage. Jesus God, eh? Just the worst. Okay, anything? Alright.
Okay.
Which one of these is the fucking saw? This
Right
one?
there. Yeah, that's
What
this
a
cunt.
bunch of shit. Just shit. I'll just buy one when you're at the store. Okay, that was fuck all, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to do the other side now and then grind the rest? Where's that brace?
Here.
How much room do you have?
Oh, we're just going right halfway through, or actually right along here if we can. Because then as I drill the welds, I can peel
Just
it.
peel it like a fucking just.
Okay. Eyes, everybody?
Yeah. Okay, I'll go in the middle.
We're going inside?
I guess.
Okay. You're back. What are we doing? Me and Steven are back here. Okay, on three, straight up. 1, 2, 3. How are you doing, boss? Good. Okay, what do we got? Jams, wiring. Wiring back here. Slight wiring emergency.
What things can get some up
Balance there.
Let's go for a drive.
Gotta be fast now. Into the factory line from where they dip them in primer, eh?
Oh.
The primer bath line.
Oh, cool. Just a regular old Tuesday night.
Oh, down, down, down. There you go. Well, there's the first two parts of the Plymouth onto the Dodge. Let's have a look. All right, you can see already that we're basically there. So I don't know. I think tomorrow a little Bondo and we're good. Dean, make me an offer. Hey, thanks to Unicorn Rides in Maui for the sweet shirt. Awfully kind of you guys, and we're gonna wear the Fury shirt while we splice the Fury.
That's an ugly truck, that's for sure, huh?
This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.